welcome to this month of painting. We're going to work really fun with different purples and lavenders, and I add a sapphire coral to this one. And it's just a fun shadows from the flowers that are hanging there. And I'm using a leftover plate of paints, and I think it's fun to kind of see what you can accomplish with that. And so if I put it in my double loader carousel, it would have saved the paint, but I've got to hurry and use it because I've been painting today with it. And I'm using some fire coral and some Prussian blue in there with some of my lavenders. And I'm just going to use a 9 by 10 little canvas. And this was a 10 by 10. That's from Dollar Tree. They're just kind of fun little canvases. And they're really lightweight and they're fit into cute little places around the house. So let's get going. I am going to start with my background. So I'm going to use my 3/4 inch flat. I'm going to pick up white and fire coral, and I'm going to come around this canvas. And I want you to have fun while you're doing this with me. I want you to see I need to put floating medium out here. Okay, because we're going to use a lot of floating medium around this because I want to just come in here and add some purple and fire corals, just little fun colors along the outside. And the floating medium helps it get into that canvas really good. And is quicker when you're doing it with the floating medium. So this is supposed to be a relax and paint fun little project. And hopefully afterwards you can write me and say, hey, I did relax with that. So that was kind of fun. All right, so here we are. We're going to come down and around, touching this floating medium, some white and pink melon, not pink melon. I keep thinking that. This is fire coral. All right. So you have a couple of ways to look at this. I like seeing stroke marks. Oops, 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 oops. I was trying to go in the medium. Okay, so there's the medium. Okay, so I'm doing stroke, slip, slap, and I keep working this up. Okay. It's supposed to be relaxing paint. It's supposed to be, this is kind of relaxing. I'm having a good time. I'm creating something with colors that looks pretty. I like to do this look on a t-shirt too. Sweatshirt, t-shirt, on a vase, all kinds of things that you can do to see all that yummy look and see it's coming on the top too. All right, so now I am going to put out a few more bits of lavender. Here we go. That's done. Bites the dust. And then I'm going to put some purple neon. And I just use that up. And then I'm going to have just a little bit more violet pansy. Okay. Here's one to tease you. This is practice strokes on Friday, so don't miss it. All right, so I'm going to come in here and work this into the fire coral. All right, so I have darker on the outside edge. Okay, and lighter as I come out. Okay, so I can put a little bits in here. Okay, now let's get the violet pansy. See, I'm going to leave some violet pansy, some of that fire coral showing through. Okay, and I'm going to bring some along here. Okay, there we go. And there. So let's put away that 3/4. And there's a couple of colors that I want to use, but I'm going to come in here with the 10. And so I'm going to put some of the shadows. So I can put some white with light lavender. And I can come, oops, that's too light. So we're going to just put little bits. Little bits. And a few in here. Okay. So that's just a little bit of shadows showing through. All right, so now I'm going to come in here with Russian blue. Okay, we need something really dark. And we're going to come through here. Okay. All right, so that's the dark blue line. And on this wall, you're seeing this color and a glow right there. And then I'm going to take right here and add some violet pansy. No, no, no. It's light lavender with neon purple. And I'm going to put a little bit of the lavender with neon purple. Put a little bit here and there. Okay. And then I'm going to come down and put some violet pansy and lavender. Then I'm going to have to put, let's put some white. Pick up white and work it on this. This is a 12 or a 10. Oops, I turned it wrong side. All right, so I'm going to a little bit. All right. Okay, I'll put a few of those little petals, but you don't want it like super, super defined, just a little bit here and there. Okay. Let's come in here. Okay. All right, a little bit more. All right, a little bit coming down. All right. So those are just kind of a blossom. Could be in a tree blossom. So you're getting all that color in there. But then there's two things I want to do. I want to come in. Let's use a smaller brush. All right. I'm going to use a thicket and I'm just going to come in here and put some dark here and there. So we're just going to come in here and put out some dark. And I'm just slip slapping that. And a little bit in here. All right. And then I'm going to come in here with citrus. A little bit of citrus. A little bit of citrus in here. I hope you enjoy this. These are every every Wednesday, and it's relax and paint, a little small project that's relaxing. By the way, these are fun to teach if you have some students because they feel so accomplished. All right. So, and and it's something they can do. So when I want to share with you that we have a membership, subscribing is wonderful. I'd love for you to subscribe so that you see when it ring the bell. So whenever I pop up something new, you can come watch it. I want you to see that if you're really wanting to see how can I get good at this, and I really like it, I want more, then if you start a learning so you can find a teacher or find something local, or if you're a caregiver or whatever, you want to paint with me, if you do my One Stroke Advantage membership, you every week will be learning and growing your talents. And so you can go back and watch it anytime. You can watch me do it each week and then go practice during the week. And I always say you're one stroke away from becoming an artist. And I'm going to show you quick and easy ways to make that happen. All right, so I'm going to come in here with some white right under these centers of these blossoms. All right. And I'm going to come in with a very small brush. This is a 6. I want a 2. And if I can find a 2 in here, I'll probably put it away somewhere. Right there. All right. So I'm going to take the Prussian blue and I'm going to put some little leaves. Okay. All right. There we go. All right. This is a fun little project. You can give it to a person who's their birthday or it's a nice little gift instead of a greeting card and write the message on the back. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I want to bring a little bit of this lavender. And these are trailing little flowers and vines. And see that shadow? This is shadowing these blossoms that are over it. All right. So look at what we've got here. Get a little bit taller. All right, there's a tall, an 8 by 10. They have nice little frames for this. And this is a 10 by 10. It's really thin. And you put a push pin on the wall and switch it out for a season. Or you can do 4 different colors with different seasons. How's that sound? All right, I'll see you on Friday. Thank you.